What's the meaning of African? African. 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 The term African typically refers to people, things, or cultures from the continent of Africa. However, it is important to note that Africa is a vast and diverse landmass comprised of 54 different countries with their own distinct histories, languages, and traditions. Therefore, the term African does not necessarily encompass all of the unique identities and experiences within the continent. Additionally, it is important to use this term carefully and respectfully, as it can perpetuate harmful stereotypes and erasure of individual cultures.